Do you ever feel tired all the time, a little moody or anxious, maybe gaining some weight even though nothing in your diet has changed? Do you struggle with sleep, or just suddenly feel not like yourself? I want you to know you're not broken. You might just be in perimenopause. Perimenopause is the hormonal transition that happens before menopause, and for many women, it can start as early as 35. Millions of women go through this every single day without really understanding what's happening inside their bodies. But that changes today. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete Perimenopause Optimization Protocol. This is a science-backed natural strategy designed to help you balance your hormones, get your energy back, lose that stubborn fat, improve your sleep, sharpen your focus, and finally stabilize your mood. By the end of this, you will have a step-by-step blueprint to feel like you are back in control of your body and your life. So, what exactly is perimenopause? Think of it as the transition phase before menopause, which can last anywhere from 4 to 10 years. During this time, your ovaries start to slow down their production of two key hormones, estrogen and progesterone. This doesn't happen in a smooth, linear way. Instead, it creates a kind of hormonal chaos. This chaos is what leads to those common symptoms so many of us experience. Things like fatigue, brain fog, anxiety, depression, mood swings, weight gain, hot flashes, night sweats, insomnia, low libido, irregular periods, and even heart palpitations. I want to be clear, this isn't just you getting older. This is a direct result of hormonal imbalance. Your body is essentially rewiring itself, and if you don't give it the right support, those symptoms can get much more intense. So what's the real root cause here? The biggest misconception is that it's all about losing hormones. The reality is, it's about hormone instability. It's the wild fluctuations that cause the problems. Several key hormones are affected. Estrogen, progesterone, cortisol, your stress hormone, insulin, and even your thyroid hormones all get thrown into disarray. Here's what's happening on the inside. Estrogen, instead of declining gracefully, spikes and then crashes unpredictably. Progesterone, our calming hormone, tends to drop much faster than estrogen. This imbalance alone is a recipe for mood swings and anxiety. On top of that, your stress hormone, cortisol, often increases, and your blood sugar becomes unstable. This hormonal storm leads directly to fat storage, particularly around the belly, those frustrating mood swings, sleep problems, chronic inflammation, and that feeling of walking through a mental fog. The solution isn't to suppress this process, but to optimize it. We need to work with our bodies, and that brings us to the Perimenopause Optimization Protocol. This is a holistic plan, and the first pillar is nutrition. Food is powerful hormonal medicine. Let's talk about the best foods for this phase. First, healthy fats. These are the building blocks for your hormones. Think avocados, olive oil, coconut oil, fatty fish like salmon, and nuts and seeds. Next is protein. Protein is crucial for stabilizing your blood sugar and protecting your muscle mass, which naturally declines as we age. Aim for quality sources like eggs, chicken, fish, lean beef, Greek yogurt, or plant-based options like lentils. And we can't forget fiber. Fiber helps your body detox excess estrogen. Load up on broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and add flax seeds and chia seeds to your meals. We also need specific micronutrients. Magnesium is a game-changer for sleep and anxiety. Zinc helps with progesterone production. Vitamin B6 is essential for mood regulation, and omega-3s are fantastic for controlling inflammation. Just as important are the foods to avoid. Sugar, processed foods, alcohol, and refined carbs like white bread and pasta all spike your insulin and make hormone imbalances worse. Artificial sweeteners are also on this list. Cutting these out can make a massive difference. The second part of the protocol is the blood sugar stability protocol. Honestly, if you only do one thing, make it this. Stable blood sugar is the foundation of hormone balance. Here are the golden rules. Eat protein with every single meal. Never skip breakfast. It sets the tone for your entire day. Avoid long periods of fasting, which can stress your system even more. When you eat carbs, always pair them with protein or fat to slow down the sugar release. And please avoid late-night sugar. When your blood sugar is stable, your mood improves, fat loss becomes easier, your sleep gets deeper, and anxiety decreases dramatically. Next up, let's talk about stress and cortisol control. Stress is a hormone killer. Chronically high cortisol leads directly to belly fat, anxiety, and insomnia. We have to actively manage it. Here's a simple stress reduction protocol. Try 10 minutes of deep breathing every day. Go for walks in nature. Get some morning sunlight in your eyes within the first hour of waking up. Limit your caffeine, especially in the afternoon. And consider practices like meditation or prayer. A huge one is to create a digital detox an hour or two before bed. When you lower your cortisol, you allow your calming progesterone levels to rise. Protocol number 4 is exercise. And here's a surprise. More exercise is not always better. In perimenopause, your body responds differently. The best types of training are strength training, about 3 times a week, to build muscle and boost your metabolism. Daily walking is one of the most underrated forms of exercise, and practices like yoga or Pilates are fantastic for flexibility and stress reduction. Light cardio is also great. What you want to avoid is excessive high-intensity interval training or long, grueling cardio sessions. These can actually raise cortisol and work against you. Your hormones thrive on moderate, consistent movement. Fifth, we have sleep optimization. Sleep is your non-negotiable hormone reset button. If your sleep is off, nothing else will work properly. Here's your sleep protocol. No screens for at least 1 hour before bed. The blue light messes with your melatonin production. Consider taking a magnesium supplement before bed. Magnesium glycinate is excellent for this. Make sure your room is completely dark and cool. Stick to a consistent bedtime and wake-up time, even on weekends. And absolutely no caffeine after 2 p.m. Better sleep equals better hormones. It's that simple. The 6th part is the supplement protocol. Now, this is not medical advice, and you should always consult with your doctor. But there are some evidence-based supplements that can really help. I've already mentioned magnesium glycinate. Others include a good quality omega-3, vitamin D3, a B-complex vitamin for energy and mood, and adaptogens like ashwagandha or maca root, which help your body adapt to stress and support hormonal balance naturally. Finally, the 7th and perhaps most important part of the protocol, the mental and emotional reset. Perimenopause isn't just a physical change, it's a profound psychological transformation. This phase of life invites us to look at our identity, to heal old emotional wounds, and to finally start prioritizing ourselves. Tools like journaling, therapy, mindfulness, and connecting with a supportive community become absolutely critical. You are not going through this alone. So what can you expect? After just 7 days of following this protocol, you'll likely notice better energy and improved sleep. After 30 days, you could start seeing real fat loss, clearer thinking, and a much more stable mood. And after 90 days, you can achieve a full hormonal rebalancing, a stronger body, and profound emotional clarity. Perimenopause isn't a breakdown. It's a biological upgrade. It's an opportunity. When you support your body correctly, it can become the most powerful and transformative phase of your entire life. You can emerge from this feeling stronger, wiser, and more in tune with yourself than ever before. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're ready to start your journey, comment the word RESET down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on longevity and hormone health. Thanks for watching.